Hello, and welcome to the Learn English Method podcast.
Welcome, everyone. This is episode number 14.
I am Richard, and I am here with Jennifer.
Hello, Richard. Hello to all our listeners.
Today, we talk about a very important topic: how to speak English without thinking.
Many students translate in their head. This makes speaking slow. We want to stop this.
We have a simple plan, a brain hack. It is a proven method to speak faster and more naturally.
We will use simple words. We will use simple sentences. Listen carefully.
Let us start with step 1. Step 1 is to learn phrases. We learn blocks of words.
We will learn 5 ways to greet people. Listen and repeat each one once.
Phrase 1. Good morning.
Your turn. Good morning.
Phrase 2. Hello there.
Your turn. Hello there.
Phrase 3. How are you?
Your turn. How are you?
Phrase 4. Nice to see you.
Your turn. Nice to see you.
Phrase 5. What is new?
Your turn. What is new?
Now we will learn 5 ways to ask for something. Listen and repeat.
Phrase 1. Can I have water?
Your turn. Can I have water?
Phrase 2. I need help.
Your turn. I need help.
Phrase 3. Please open the door.
Your turn. Please open the door.
Phrase 4. May I sit here?
Your turn. May I sit here?
Phrase 5. Give me the book.
Your turn. Give me the book. Now we will learn 5 ways to give an opinion. Listen and repeat.
Phrase 1. I think it is good.
Your turn. I think it is good.
Phrase 2. I do not like this.
Your turn. I do not like this.
Phrase 3. It is very nice.
Your turn. It is very nice.
Phrase 4. I agree with you.
Your turn. I agree with you.
Phrase 5. This is a problem.
Your turn. This is a problem. Now we will learn 5 ways to say thank you. Listen and repeat.
Phrase 1. Thank you very much.
Your turn. Thank you very much.
Phrase 2. I appreciate it.
Your turn. I appreciate it.
Phrase 3. That is very kind.
Your turn. That is very kind.
Phrase 4. Thanks a lot.
Your turn. Thanks a lot.
Phrase 5. You are the best.
Your turn. You are the best. Now we will learn 5 ways to say goodbye. Listen and repeat.
Phrase 1. See you later.
Your turn. See you later.
Phrase 2. Have a good day.
Your turn. Have a good day.
Phrase 3. I must go now.
Your turn. I must go now.
Phrase 4. Talk to you soon.
Your turn. Talk to you soon.
Phrase 5. Bye for now.
Your turn. Bye for now. This is step 1. Learn phrases. Learn them as one block.
Now, let's go to step 2. Step 2 is to use simple answers.
When someone asks a question, use a short, simple answer. Do not translate.
We will practice 5 yes or no questions. Listen and repeat the simple answer.
Question 1. Do you like the color blue?
Simple answer. Yes, I do.
Your turn. Yes, I do. Question 2. Is the sun hot?
Simple answer. Yes, it is.
Your turn. Yes, it is. Question 3. Can you drive a car?
Simple answer. No, I cannot.
Your turn. No, I cannot. Question 4. Are you a doctor?
Simple answer. No, I am not.
Your turn. No, I am not. Question 5. Did you watch TV last night?
Simple answer. Yes, I did.
Your turn. Yes, I did. Now we will practice 5 simple WH questions. Listen and repeat the simple answer. Question 1. Where is the key?
Simple answer. It is on the table.
Your turn. It is on the table. Question 2. What is your job?
Simple answer. I am a student.
Your turn. I am a student. Question 3. When is the meeting?
Simple answer. It is at 3 o'clock.
Your turn. It is at 3 o'clock. Question 4. Who is that man?
Simple answer. He is my friend.
Question 5. Why are you here?
Simple answer. I am here to learn.
Your turn. I am here to learn.
We will practice 5 simple questions about feelings. Listen and repeat the simple answer.
Question 1. Are you hungry?
Simple answer. Yes, I am hungry.
Your turn. Yes, I am hungry.
Question 2. Is Jennifer tired?
Simple answer. No, she is not tired.
Your turn. No, she is not tired.
Question 3. Do you feel happy?
Simple answer. Yes, I feel happy.
Your turn. Yes, I feel happy.
Question 4. Is Richard sad?
Simple answer. No, he is not sad.
Your turn. No, he is not sad.
Question 5. Are they excited?
Simple answer. Yes, they are excited.
Your turn. Yes, they are excited.
This is step 2. Use simple answers.
Now we go to step 3. Step 3 is to use simple scenarios. We will practice 5 different places.
Scenario 1. At the park. We talk about simple things we see.
I am the friend. You are the listener.
Look, the dog is running fast.
Yes, it is a big dog.
I like the green trees.
Me too. The sky is blue.
It is a good day for the park.
Now you repeat 5 phrases from this park talk. Listen and repeat.
Phrase 1. The dog is running fast.
Your turn. The dog is running fast.
Phrase 2. It is a big dog.
Your turn. It is a big dog.
Phrase 3. I like the green trees.
Your turn. I like the green trees.
Phrase 4. The sky is blue.
Your turn. The sky is blue.
Phrase 5. It is a good day for the park.
Your turn. It is a good day for the park. Scenario 2. At the grocery store. We talk about simple food.
I am the worker. You are the listener.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, where is the milk?
The milk is in the back.
Thank you. I also need bread.
The bread is next to the milk.
Now you repeat 5 phrases from this store talk. Listen and repeat.
Phrase 1. Can I help you?
Your turn. Can I help you?
Phrase 2. Where is the milk?
Your turn. Where is the milk?
Phrase 3. The milk is in the back.
Your turn. The milk is in the back.
Phrase 4. I also need bread.
Your turn. I also need bread.
Phrase 5. The bread is next to the milk.
Your turn. The bread is next to the milk.
Scenario 3. At the office. We talk about simple work.
I am the coworker. You are the listener.
Good morning. Is the computer working?
No, the computer is slow.
I can help you with that.
Thank you. I need to print this paper.
The printer is broken today.
Now you repeat 5 phrases from this office talk. Listen and repeat.
Phrase 1. Is the computer working?
Your turn. Is the computer working?
Phrase 2. The computer is slow.
Your turn. The computer is slow.
Phrase 3. I can help you with that.
Your turn. I can help you with that.
Phrase 4. I need to print this paper.
Your turn. I need to print this paper.
Phrase 5. The printer is broken today.
Your turn. The printer is broken today.
Scenario 4. On the phone. We talk about simple calls.
I am the person calling. You are the listener.
Hello, is this Jennifer?
Yes, this is Jennifer.
This is Richard. I will be late.
Okay, how late will you be?
I will be late by 10 minutes.
Now you repeat 5 phrases from this phone talk. Listen and repeat.
Phrase 1. Hello, is this Jennifer?
Your turn. Hello, is this Jennifer?
Phrase 2. Yes, this is Jennifer.
Your turn. Yes, this is Jennifer.
Phrase 3. I will be late.
Your turn. I will be late.
Phrase 4. How late will you be?
Your turn. How late will you be?
Phrase 5. I will be late by 10 minutes.
Your turn. I will be late.
Scenario 5. Asking for directions. We talk about simple places.
I am the person asking. You are the listener.
Excuse me, where is the bank?
The bank is over there.
Is it far from here?
No, it is very close.
Thank you for your help.
Now, you repeat 5 phrases from this directions talk. Listen and repeat.
Phrase 1. Excuse me, where is the bank?
Your turn. Excuse me, where is the bank?
Phrase 2. The bank is over there.
Your turn. The bank is over there.
Phrase 3. Is it far from here?
Your turn. Is it far from here?
Phrase 4. No, it is very close.
Your turn. No, it is very close.
Phrase 5. Thank you for your help.
Your turn. Thank you for your help.
This is step 3. Use simple scenarios.
Now we go to step 4. Step 4 is to use filler words.
Filler words are small words we use when we think. They make your speech sound natural.
We will practice 5 different filler words. Listen and repeat each one in a new sentence.
Filler 1.
Sentence. I want a coffee, a large coffee.
Your turn. I want a coffee, a large coffee.
Filler 2. Well.
Sentence. Well, I think it is cold today.
Your turn. Well, I think it is cold today.
Filler 3. So.
Sentence. So, I will go home now.
Your turn. So, I will go home now.
Filler 4. Let me see.
Sentence. What is my name? Let me see. My name is Richard.
Your turn. What is my name? Let me see. My name is Richard.
Filler 5. Just a moment.
Sentence. Where is the book? Just a moment. It is here.
Your turn. Where is the book? Just a moment. It is here.
Now, we will practice using these filler words in 5 new questions and answers.
Question. What is your favorite food?
Answer. My favorite food is pizza.
Your turn. My favorite food is pizza.
Question. Do you like to read books?
Answer. Well, yes, I like to read.
Your turn. Well, yes, I like to read.
Question. What time is it now?
Answer. So, it is 4 o'clock.
Your turn. So, it is 4 o'clock.
Question. How many brothers do you have?
Answer. Let me see. I have 2 brothers.
Your turn. Let me see. I have 2 brothers.
Question. What is the capital of your country?
Answer. Just a moment. The capital is Paris.
Your turn. Just a moment. The capital is Paris.
This is step 4. Use filler words.
Now we go to step 5. Step 5 is to speak, speak, speak. We will practice quick answers in 5 new categories.
Category 1. Food. Answer quickly.
Do you like apples?
Your quick answer.
Is chicken good?
Your quick answer.
Do you eat rice every day?
Your quick answer.
Is soup hot?
Your quick answer.
Do you want a sandwich?
Your quick answer. Category 2. Travel. Answer quickly.
Do you like to fly?
Your quick answer.
Is the train fast?
Your quick answer.
Can you go to the beach?
Your quick answer.
Is your car red?
Your quick answer.
Do you need a map?
Your quick answer. Category 3. Home. Answer quickly.
Is your house big?
Your quick answer.
Do you have a garden?
Your quick answer.
Is the bed soft?
Your quick answer.
Do you like your kitchen?
Your quick answer.
Is the window open?
Your quick answer. Category 4. Time. Answer quickly.
Is it morning now?
Your quick answer.
Do you like the night?
Your quick answer.
Is today Monday?
Your quick answer.
Do you have time now?
Your quick answer.
Is the year 2025?
Your quick answer. Category 5. People. Answer quickly.
Do you have a sister?
Your quick answer.
Is your mother happy?
Your quick answer.
Do you like your teacher?
Your quick answer.
Is your friend tall?
Your quick answer.
Do you know Richard?
Your quick answer.
This is step 5. Speak, speak, speak.
Now we go to step 6. Step 6 is to combine everything. We will do 5 new mini conversations.
Mini conversation 1. Talking about the weather.
Hello there. Is it cold today?
Well, no, it is not cold. It is warm.
I agree with you. It is very nice.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye for now.
Mini conversation 2. Asking for a simple favor.
Excuse me, can I have water?
Yes, you can. Here is the water.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You are welcome.
I must go now.
Mini conversation 3. At the store.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes. Where is the sugar?
The sugar is next to the coffee.
Is it far from here?
No, it is very close.
Thanks a lot.
Mini conversation 4. Talking about a problem.
Good morning. Is the computer working?
No. The computer is slow.
This is a problem. I can help you with that.
That is very kind.
Talk to you soon.
Mini conversation 5. Making a plan.
How are you? Do you want a sandwich?
Let me see. Yes, I want a sandwich.
When is the best time?
So, the best time is at 1 o'clock.
Okay. See you later.
We have given you 6 simple steps. This is the brain hack to speak without thinking.
Step 1. Learn phrases. Learn blocks of words.
Step 2. Use simple answers. Do not translate.
Step 3. Use simple scenarios. Practice different places.
Step 4. Use filler words. Well.
Step 5. Speak, speak, speak. Answer quickly.
Step 6. Combine everything. Use all the phrases.
Practice every day. Even 10 minutes a day is good.
Your confidence will grow. You will speak without thinking.
We want you to feel good about your English.
This brain hack is proven. It works for many people.
Thank you for listening to episode 14 of Learn English Method.
We hope this episode helps you. We hope you start speaking without thinking today.
Please subscribe to our channel. This helps us make more episodes for you.
Yes, subscribe now and follow us for the next episode.
We will talk about simple travel English next time.
Goodbye for now. Keep practicing your English.
See you next time. Goodbye.